Hundreds of tons of sugarcane are on the verge of going to waste after fire swept through cane fields in northeast St. Elizabeth. As you'll hear in this report, the farmers are desperate for help. It's a race against the clock for cane farmers in Barton Nile, St. Elizabeth, as some 100 acres of sugarcane will go to waste if it's not cut and taken to the sugar factory in the next 24 hours. It's understood that on Tuesday, a farmer started a fire on his property, which got out of control and swept through the neighboring fields. Cane farmer Dave Ranking explained that once the fields are burnt, the clock starts ticking for the cane to go bad.
When a cane burn, I have up to 3 days. Now 2 days gone out, so I have one leave, which is tomorrow. I'm at that stake and without about 1,000 tons if you cut off.
Mr. Rankin is one of several cane farmers in the area. He alone now has over 50 acres of cane on the ground, which needs to be cut and transported to the Frome factory in Westmoreland. Their cutting and transportation challenge started in 2020 with the closure and sale of the Appleton Sugar Factory. They say while they were promised assistance in cutting and transporting the cane, that has not been happening, especially now when they need it.
1 year passed, they assist with one reaper. This year now, there's a burn down. We call the heads, the CIG. I know one of them who they call Mr. Spencer. Yesterday now I went back to the chairman, see if he could call them back and get them on the phone. And the answer was, no, they can't come.
We get few man a chop, but we need help with the, what you call it, reaper. And more help, more man cut, more helper to cut cane.
Well, if we get, we have more men and maybe a mechanical harvester, maybe we can get off most, if not all of it.
And tomorrow now is the last day for this cane, which I'm going to lose over nearly 1,000 tons of cane, which is value over nearly $5 or $6 million. So that's why I'm have to call him and see if he can get the attention before the days are up.
I call upon Henry Kitts, sugar industry, the government, compare if intervene in this year. For you can't lose over 50 acre cane right now, lay down on the dot there.
In light of the millions of dollars of investment they stand to lose, they contacted our newsroom, hoping they will get the help they need in time. TVJ News has been trying to contact the Agriculture Ministry for details on a solution, but has been unsuccessful so far.